And here's Hess's Law Extra Practice, question number 9. Again, we're going to start with what we're given. Fluff around all these pieces and parts until they match. So I've got a zinc. I'm going to keep this guy just like he is. 1/8 of a sulfur, 1/8 of a sulfur. Magic, I've already got 2 pieces all set. 2 oxygens. I see, 3 oxygens and another oxygen. So I'm actually going to skip this guy for now. I'm going to look at this one first and then come back since I have multiple pieces. Zinc sulfate needs to go into the products, and so I see that right here. So I'm going to go ahead and start with these 2 reactions. I have zinc and 1/8 of sulfur, zinc sulfide. That delta H is going to stay right where he is. This guy, zinc oxide and sulfur trioxide, zinc sulfate. Delta H is going to be a negative 230.32. Good. So now I need to look at the pieces that I need to get rid of. I've got some zinc sulfide here. I need to go away. I see zinc sulfide here in my reactants. Here they're in the products. So I don't want to reverse that reaction. I want them to be on opposite sides of the arrow so I can cancel them out. But I have 2 and I only have 1. So I'm not going to reverse, but I am going to scale it down by 1/2. So 1/2 of 2 is going to give us 1 ZnS. We're going to have 3 halves of an O2. We're going to have 1/2 times 2 is only 1 zinc oxide, and we only have 1 sulfur dioxide. So I can cancel out some magical things. I have that zinc oxide here, and here they're gone. Magically, we also have this zinc sulfide here, and here they're gone. I have an SO3 and an SO2. It's not quite going to work for me yet. But I did get some oxygen in here. I need 2. I have 3 halves. I need another 1/2 of an oxygen to get to that needed 2. So let's figure out how I can get rid of SO3 and SO2. Add a little bit more oxygen. That, of course, is going to give us a reason to put this equation to use. So I have 2 SO2s and 2 SO3s, and I only want 1 and 1. So we're going to have this. I have SO2 in the products here. I need them to cancel out, so I'm going to leave SO2 in the reactants. I'm not going to reverse the reaction. This guy's going to stay going the way that he's going. We're going to have it though, and when we do that, we get 1 SO2, 1/2 an O2, and only 1 SO3. The magic that happens. I've got an SO2 and an SO2, they're gone. SO3 and SO3, they're gone. 3 halves of an O2 added to 1 more 1/2 of an O2 gives us 4 halves, which is 2 O2s. So we are left with zinc, check. 1/8 of a sulfur, check. 2 O2s, check. And a zinc sulfate. Perfect. I forgot to write down my delta H's for these reactions. So ZnS and the 3 halves O2, it was this guy. We didn't change the direction, but we did chop it in 1/2. So our delta H is going to be 1/2 of 927, which is negative 463.77 kilojoules. And then this last guy, my SO2, O2, this one, we're going to keep it, but we're going to chop it in 1/2. 1/2 of this is a negative 98.02. H is going to be negative 98.02. So now we add all of these many pieces together. We've got negative 183.92 plus negative 927.54 No, not 9. Sorry. Wait. We chop that in half. Negative 183.92. Negative 230.32. Negative 463.77. Negative 98.02. Grand total of negative, holy schmoly, this is a lot of energy, 976.03 kilojoules.